Do you have a bloated belly, fat in your liver, a bitter taste in your mouth, bad digestion and gaining weight very easily? Your liver is probably full of toxins, and sometimes even a little fat. Today I'm going to teach you a juice that removes toxins from your liver, speeds up your metabolism and deflates your body. I already want to know the destination that this video has reached. So I'm going to get to know each of you a little more. Here I have 10 strawberries. I'm going to remove the green part of the top and cut these strawberries into pieces. This juice is very tasty and will help you in several aspects, as I said at the beginning of the video. We will also need 2 tablespoons of honey, the juice of a whole squeezed lemon. We will also need black tea and green tea, and 200 milliliters of water. Add these ingredients to the blender. Beat everything very well until homogenized. Ready, folks. It's very fast and convenient. Do you usually drink this kind of juice? If not, it's good to start, because it's very healthy. Guys, I would like to pass on a message that is in Acts 1-7. He answered them, "It is not for you to know the times or dates which the Father has set by his own authority." The disciples had so many questions for Jesus. He provided many answers for them, but he also expressed that there were some things they just couldn't know. Letting them know the dates and times of God's plans could very well keep them from seeking God in the meantime. Jesus wanted them to know that God has ultimate authority over time, and that trusting this would allow them to come to a faith far greater than knowledge of dates ever could. I really hope you liked this recipe. I'll be with God. A kiss and until the next video, bye bye.